Hello traders, in this video I am taking a look at the ACB Breakout Arrows for MT4 and MT5, and in this review we'll just go through the MQL5 marketplace page, explore the key features and discuss how the indicator and EA can be evaluated through historical chart analysis. Now mind you, the MT5 version, as we can see, is an indicator. All right. But then if you want to use the expert advisor, then you would have to use MetaTrader 4. Okay. Because as you can see, the MetaTrader 4, um, the MetaTrader 4 has an indicator, but for the expert advisor, I'm just going to add EA here. Okay. So for the expert advisor, you would see that it is just MT4 version available. If I want to go search for MT5, you would see that we're not really having any result for MT5. The MT5 results we have here, let's just open this. The MT5 result that we have here is the indicator. All right. So we can see experts is for MT4. Okay, so I just had to clarify that, So let's just discuss the indicator, and I'm just going to call it the indicator and the expert advisor, okay, depending on what platform that you are using. But before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace page for the ACB Breakout Arrows, and this product is offered by Keen-based software solutions, and at the time of this review it is priced at 145 US dollars, and the current version is 5.5, which was updated on March 10th 2022. According to the developer, the ACB Breakout Arrows is designed to identify a specific breakout pattern by scanning the chart for momentum that has settled in one direction before generating an entry signal ahead of a larger move. Okay, so as we go through the product page, we can see that the indicator provides both entry signals and predefined stop loss and take profit levels directly on the chart, which can help traders structure trades more efficiently. One feature that stands out is the included multi-time frame scanner dashboard. This allows traders to monitor breakout signals across multiple time frames from a single interface rather than manually switching between charts. Okay, for traders following several markets or time frames, that can significantly improve workflow. Now, the developer also highlights a quick profit line, okay, which acts as an additional target level alongside the standard stop loss and take profit levels. The indicator includes built-in performance analysis metrics as well, allowing users to review statistics such as win-loss data, success rates, and average profit information directly from the tool. Now, another important point mentioned on the page is that the indicator is described as non-repainting. The developer also suggests using the ACB trade filter indicator for additional trade confirmation and mentions optional support and resistance analysis through another companion tool. Okay, so now looking through the settings section, users can adjust parameters such as signal sensitivity, stop loss calculation bars, display options for target levels, performance analysis, visibility, and various alert methods, including pop-ups, email notifications, push notifications, and sound alerts. These customization options allow traders to adapt the indicator's presence and signal behavior to their own preferences. Okay, so now moving into the historical analysis side of the review, when evaluating any breakout based indicator, it's useful to review a broad sample of chart history across different market conditions. Okay, but let's just quickly open the MT4 experts. Okay, let's just quickly look at that as well. All right, so you can see now that the expert advisor is actually based on this indicator that we just discussed right now. All right, so having talked about the indicator, at least you should already know how the expert advisor would function, because the expert advisor functions based on the ACB breakout arrows indicator, and the expert advisor is going for sale on MetaTrader for 165 US dollars. That is the MT4 expert advisor, currently priced at 165 US dollars. But the indicator here on MT5 is 145 US dollars. Okay, so we can also see that the breakout arrows EA provides an ability to filter the entries using the custom indicator named ACB trade filter. All right, then you have the strong buy signal, strong sell, the strong buy indicated by up arrow and green histogram, which plus the bullish trend. Strong sell, you have down arrow, red histogram, and bearish trend. And the EA avoids a trade if the histogram is gray and the trend is sideways. Okay, so we can also see the key features of the expert advisor, the ACB trade filter indicator, no additional download is required, the ability to fetch stop loss and profit targets directly from the indicator, further boost the EA performance using the inbuilt filters like session filter, MMI, Vortex, volatility, market regime, and more. Okay, and then there is also the flexible stop loss trailing, the protection against the black swan events using the max loss function. Then under the input parameters, we have the lot size method, the risk per trade, signal sensitivity for the indicator parameters, the bars for SL, and you can also choose your exit settings if you want to use stop loss. Also stop loss method if you want to use take profit, and the take profit method if you want to use SL trailing, and the SL trailing method. Then also there are the filters, the trading sessions filter, ACB trade filter, trend filter, volatility filter, vortex filter, MMI filter, and then the miscellaneous settings include the max loss protection and logging. All right, so looking at the image sample that we show here, just showing the EA in action, and then here we have some backtest results, and we can also see that the period here was H1 2003 to 2019. Initial deposit was $10,000, 2% risk per trade, and we had the history quality as 98%, and the total net profit was over $15,000, and there were 305 trades taken, with 129 were short trades with 74.42% win rate, and the long trades were 176 with 84.09% win rate. The largest profit was 608.28, largest loss was 515.61. The average profits 121.24, average loss 228.28. So based on the information we have here, this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, and the win rate is actually you know okay, because the short trades 74.42%, long trades 84.09%. So the win rate is actually okay. So when you put the win rate side by side with the risk to reward ratio, even though the risk to reward ratio is bad, at the end of the day, I guess the win rate was one of the things that contributed to the total net profit of about 150%, 156%. Because if the initial deposit was $10,000 and the profit made was 15,658 over about 16 years, right? So this is 2003 to 2019, so about 16 years, over 156%. Okay, I guess is a fair deal. All right, but remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. All right, so let's just also head back to the indicator, because now we are talking about both the indicator and the EA, although the EA is based on the indicator. So I'm going to get over to my MT5 strategy tester. All right, so I actually tested, in addition to the backtest results that we saw for the MT4 expert advisor. All right, I also ran a backtest for the indicator on MT5. So the backtest was run on the GBP USD symbol on H1 time frame over just the past month with every tick modeling. And based on the information that we have already seen on the marketplace page, and then what we have here on the chart, we can see how the indicator functions. All right, and you can see this information here, the total signals, the win and loss ratio, or the win and loss, the success rate, average profit, max profit, first target, final target. And you can also see the MT5 scanner here showing the signal across different time frames. M1 included, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, daily, weekly, and monthly, all included. Okay, and we can also see here how the indicator shows, entry signals, both for uh, buy opportunities and for sell opportunities, alongside specific entries, and then quick profit, first target, and also final target, and also the stop loss levels. Okay, so based on the information that we have already gotten access to, the indicator's approach centers around breakout detection combined with momentum and trend confirmation criteria. The marketplace page specifically references strong buy conditions involving an upward arrow, a green histogram, we can see that here, and a bullish trend. Okay, while strong sell conditions involve a downward red arrow, a red histogram, and a bearish trend. All right, and it also advises avoiding trades when the histogram is gray and the trend is identified as sideways. Now, when reviewing historical testing performance or chart based analysis, it is important to remember that results can vary depending on market conditions, broker data, spreads, execution quality, risk management decisions, and overall trade selection. Historical analysis can help evaluate an indicator's behavior, but it should not be viewed as a guarantee of future outcomes. So overall, the ACB Breakout Arrows for MT4 and MT5 offers a breakout focused trading tool with built-in target levels, performance metrics, multi-time frame scanning capabilities, and extensive alert options. As always, I would recommend spending time reviewing historical charts and testing, the tool yourself, as you can determine, so that you can determine whether its signals and workflow fit your trading style before relying on it in live market conditions. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.